Installing LitLogo's front emblem on a buddy's car, WRX logo. It's gonna light up. It's gonna have all the RGB, LGBTQ lights that there are. We're gonna be using an adafuse. We're gonna use some electrical tape to tape up the excess wire to make it look nice and OEM.
You're already a K-pop star, at least once in our marriage. Wait, are you videoing?
Do it, send it. Right now, all we're doing is using a flathead to remove the bumper like trim screws in. We're gonna go all along. There's one up here in the fender well, and then there's like 6 or maybe 8 that run across the bottom all the way to the other side, and then this bumper is gonna be ready to come off. Oh, it's so much easier. Alright, we removed all the bottom clips from the side and underneath the bumper. Now we're going to use 10mm to remove the little bolts and the top clips here on the front, the top of the bumper. And then after that, the bumper is going to be ready to pull off and come off.
All of my bike buddies, they're all like, "You need to get a bike." And they're like, "Come down, we're at Tybee." I'm like, "Do an install."
Alright, now we're going to go along the edges here. Pull the bumper out of the clips. Follow it along. The front of the headlight here. And then all the way down to the other side. I can't remember what it's called, but
None of your viewers know what I'm saying.
alright, you ready?
Makes a good YouTube video. It's funny.
Alright, this is the power box for the LitLogo. Follow it down. You've got your power cord. You want to add the adafuse. This is going to go to your fuse box wherever you have a blank fuse. And then you've got your ground which there's a good spot right behind it, right here. I'm just gonna attach it right there, so that way it's grounded. And then you can add some 3M tape to the back of the power box, and then we're just gonna attach it to the front of the battery here, so that way it's there, it's solid. It's a good spot where we can run our wires to and from the logo on the grill to the fuse box. Alright, the ground connector for the logo, the ground connector is gonna go right here. I thought hurricane season was over.
I thought that's what I told her. When you cough so bad, that knows you hit it really.
You need at least a 12 volt like fuse. We got a 15. Just plug it in, and you should be good to go. And then just kind of route it along your fuse box to not crimp it so much. And then what we've got is some electrical tape, so that way we can tape up this excess wire to make it blend in with like the OEM wire routing that they've got. But all right.
Oh, what? Your part. Turn off.
You almost had it off. Mike said I can't get no more pens. Mike said I gotta still wasting my high school supplies.
Just gonna wrap this the best that we can. We're not a professional, but we're gonna make it at least fake it till we make it look kind of professional. We've got the excess wire wrapped in electrical wire, so that way it looks black and OEM. We're gonna cover the fuse box, tighten up this wire with zip ties, make sure it's zipped away, put the logo on, and then we're putting the bumper on, and then we're done. All right, we've got the logo all hooked up and everything. We're gonna pull the 3M tape off and set it right here on the bumper. But we've got everything hooked up. If you look in the engine bay, you can't really see the wire. We've got it wrapped in electrical tape and zip tied to the side, so you can hardly see it. It looks pretty OEM. You can't see anything hooked up to the fuse box. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and peel this 3M tape, set it here, put the bumper, and then put the clips in, and then the car is going to be good to go.
Like, is it cheaper to go?
You're going to turn it on, Daisy? Oh man, that may not fit. You should turn down the brightness.
Damn, I didn't know you made that for
That top one. There we go, looking fresh. Now we're going to see if we can fit these zip ties through here. If not, I don't know, we'll have to get some smaller ones, but...
I don't know if you're trying to make it even or slanted with that one.
Hardly get it top.
It might look good that one. This one. That's fine.
Thanks. So now we've got the logo on there, and it is 3M tape to the grill with some zip ties on the side, nice and discreet, hidden away. We've got the bumper back on. We just finished putting this top trim piece thanks to some help from the wife. We still need to finish putting it down, put the other clips, but I just wanted to come back to the video showing we got the light on there in place. We're gonna finish putting the rest of the clips, and we'll turn it on, make sure it works, and then pull the car out. So that way, when Daisy gets here, she'll see it outside and hopefully be in love. Alright guys, now the install is all done. Bumper is put back together. This is the final product. This is what it looks like. Again, you can change all kinds of colors. Like earlier in the video, you probably saw he was just changing colors, but it's all nice, tucked away. Again, it's just 2 simple wires that you can route along, and you can hide them all away pretty well. The power and your ground. Again, the company is LitLogos. You follow them on Facebook and Instagram. It is a really fantastic mod. It's definitely something that's worth purchasing to add a nice touch to the car. She's gonna love it. I can't wait for her to come by and pick it up. The logos final. Peace.